A tērā tau, ka tua o te aroa ki mua i te aroaro o te ao mo te ipu putu pōro. Enari ka whai ki ko anō te huna Māori o Tāmaki, ki roto i ngā mahi tāpoi mo te ipu putu pōro o te ao.
I would say this, that Rugby World Cup is a 6-week tournament, a 6-week event. And I think if anybody thinks they're going to make a killing on 6 weeks of business, then they need to have a bit of a rethink about that.
It comes back to a New Zealand tourism strategy, then a regional tourism strategy that has a Māori tourism strategy within the regions as well, and frankly that isn't happening.
He take anō te waha papā. He take ke te ū ki te ākau o Tāmaki mā Kairau e mau piupiu ana. Ka pupu ake a whakaro ki te tanata.
Some people may not want to ask this, but people say, oh, their Māori is crazy.
Well, look, I'd laugh at them because they don't really know me. I'm a reasonably intelligent person. I'm very approachable. And I seem to mix. It's their insecurity, or should I say, get off their ass and do it, rather than anything else.
Yes, John Kairau proving you don't need a slick marketing machine to touch a chord with overseas visitors.